Alright, so this is 2000 Chevy Blazer. I've got issues with the air conditioning compressor, and I'll show you what's going on. I'll go ahead and turn the AC on. I got this Blazer for 800 bucks, and it shows. It's a work in progress. So, got the AC going. So, as you can see, compressor will come on and then just shut off. And I've seen on YouTube that people have had this issue before. So there was one gentleman that was able to charge the system and get it going. I've also seen the idea of jumping out the relay with a paper clip. So what I thought I would do is jump out the relay with the paper clip and then start charging. I'll show you what the gauge does with the air compressor doing its thing right now. Okay, so that's what we got going on now. So I'll come over here. Here's the relay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jumper this out. Like I said, there's a video on YouTube about jumping out the relay. So I'm not gonna go into detail about that. Also, I'm not gonna go into detail about using this thing, because there's videos on YouTube that go into detail about that sort of stuff. I'm just gonna see if this works. So at this point, I'm gonna hand off the phone to my assistant. You can see on the gauge, so we're showing low. So I'm gonna start charging this. First, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit more. I did shake this up already. I'll shake it up just a little bit more, and then we'll go ahead and start charging this thing. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Still showing low. I can tell that it is going up though, so that's a good sign. Alright, we're in the green. By the way, I am wearing safety glasses. I figured either this is going to work or this could go horribly wrong. Either way, this will probably make it up on YouTube. If this goes horribly wrong, it could be a viral video. And I might need to get another can. I did have the 20-ounce can that I used on the Subaru, and I decided to keep the gauge. All they had without the gauge was the 12-ounce can, so that's what I've got now. I might need to get another can. I think that might be as high as it's going to go for now. So let me take this back. So what I'm going to do now, go ahead and remove the paper clip. I'm going to put the relay in. and see if it keeps running. And it's running. Alright, so apparently my high-tech daughter told me I ran out of recording time. So not exactly sure when it ended. But as you can see, the compressor is going, so I'm happy about that. Jumping out the relay and filling up the system. It's not exactly where I want it to be. I might work on it a little bit more, but it accomplished what I wanted it to accomplish. So I hope that helps some people. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.